Open your book to page 72. This is lesson 2.13. This lesson is about multiplying mixed numbers. So let's go to example. Example 1a. You have 2 and 11 over 12 times by 1 and 3/5. So you need to go and convert this into improper fraction. Now if you cannot do it in your head, you go to the side. So 2 times 12 will give you 24. Right? And then you plus 11, so it gives you 35. So you get 35 over 12 times by 8 over 5. Then after that you can go and reduce by dividing. So 5 and 35 both are divisible by 5. So divide by 5 you get 1. Divide this by 5 you get 7. 8 and 12 both of these are divisible by 4. So divide by 4 you get 2. Divide by 4 you get 3. And after I go and multiply, 7 times 2 is 14, 3 times 1 is 3, and then that's it. Now, you can just leave it as improper fraction, so don't waste your time trying to convert. Okay, just leave it, and that's fine. So let's go to 1b. You got 3 and 1/8 times 16. So you can convert. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25. And make this into 16 over 1. So both these are divisible by 8, so divide by 8 you get 1, divide this by 8 you get 2, and then when you multiply you get 50. Okay. Let's go to example 1c. Now this one you have 3 factors. You got 2 and 1/4 times by 4 and 2/3 times by 1 and 1/5. So it doesn't matter how many you have, you just do exactly the same thing. So convert. So 2 and 1/4 equal to 9 over 4. Again, 2 times 4 plus 1 give you 9. Times by 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 is 14. 1 times 5 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So once you convert into improper fraction, you can start to cancel things out. Okay, so like this one here, 3 and 9 both are divisible by 3. So it doesn't matter if you cancel this with this or this with that, doesn't matter. Okay, so you can do it either way. So divide by 3, you get 1. Divide by 3, you get 3. Now both of these are even, so you can divide by 2. So divide by 2, you get 2. Divide by 2, you get 7. And let's see what else you can do. Oh, so you got 2 and 6. So both are even, so you can do more. So divide by 2, you get 1. Divide by 2, you get 3. So that's it. So multiply everything out. So 1 times 1 times 5 will give you 5. And this one, instead of multiplying into big number, it's easier if you multiply this first. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 7 will give you 63. Okay, so this is a bit easier that way. Okay, let's go to example 2. Example 2 is find the area of a rectangle. So again, there's a rectangle. So length, width, right? So again, when you see the word rectangle, draw a rectangle, label length, width, and you put your numbers in there. It says the length is 2 2/3 yards. And the width is 1 3/4 yards. And so they want you to find the area. So area equal to length times width, right? That's a formula for rectangle. You substitute, so area, again, follow it through. So length is 2 2/3, width is 1 3/4. So again, make sure you show your steps. Okay, don't just write down the answer. So now you have mixed numbers that you have to multiply, so convert into improper fraction. So 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 is 8. This one, 1 times 4 is 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, so after you make into improper fraction, you can start to cancel things out. So 4 and 8 both are divisible by 4. So divide by 4, you get 1. Divide by 4, you get 2. And you can multiply, so you got 14 over 3. And don't forget the label, right? The unit of measurement, so yards. Okay, and that's it for example 2.